Coming April 1st, India will be implementing the new BS6 emission norms, and manufacturers are tweaking their existing products and also adding new ones to abide by the new rules. Hero MotoCorp has brought us down to its Center of Innovation and Technology in Jaipur to launch 2 of its upgraded products and 1 new one. So without further ado, let's check out what they are. So first up is the 2020 Glamour BS6. As against the outgoing version, the new Glamour comes with plenty of changes in terms of design. It gets newly styled headlamps at the front, new tank shrouds and an LED H-style tail lights that is a significant improvement over the outgoing version. In terms of mechanicals, the bike now gets a fuel-injected system that comes with 19% more power compared to its predecessor. The 125cc engine now puts out 10.73 bhp at 7500 rpm and 10.6 Nm of torque at 6000 rpm. The bike also comes with an extra gear as against its outgoing model. Other notable addition in the motorcycle comes in the form of new 5-spoke alloy wheels, a digital instrument cluster that now shows real-time fuel efficiency, and the company's i3S technology. Hero has also increased the suspension travel by 14% at the front and 10% at the back. The motorcycle starts at Rs 68,900 ex-showroom in India. Next is the Passion Pro. In terms of styling, Hero has breathed a new life into the existing model. The bike now comes with a triple tone color scheme that surprisingly does not look out of place. The motorcycle is built on the company's new diamond frame that comes with 5mm longer wheelbase. Like the Glamour, the Passion Pro 2 gets increased suspension travel at the front and at the back. Speaking of the powertrain, the motorcycle is now powered by a new 110cc BS6 compliant engine that produces 9.02 bhp at 7500 rpm and 9.79 Nm of torque at 5500 rpm. All this comes at a starting price of Rs 64,990 ex-showroom. And saving the most interesting for the last is the new entrant, the Xtreme 160R. After discontinuing the Xtreme Sports, the Xtreme 160R comes in Hero's portfolio as a replacement with increased displacement. Up front is an aggressive design that comes with an all-new LED smoked headlamp that looks sharp and sporty. Behind the front fascia, the bike gets a digital instrument cluster that displays necessary information but misses out on gear position indicator. Behind that is a large fuel tank that comes with integrated shrouds that extend all the way to the center of the motorcycle. A fleeting glimpse of the bike won't let you believe that this is a 160cc offering, but rather something a segment above. At the back, the motorcycle gets a neat grab rail that is integrated into the body. It also gets new LED tail lamps that comes with smoked finish. And while looks are subjective, we thought that the shape was a little unnerving to the eye. In terms of cycle parts, the Xtreme 160R comes with a 37mm show-off forks at the front and a monoshock at the rear that comes with a 7-step adjustability for preload. In terms of safety, the bike comes with a single-channel ABS as well. And in addition to the 3 aforementioned motorcycles, Hero also launched the rally kit for the Xpulse 200 that can now be availed at select Hero showrooms at a price of Rs 38,000. If I had to sum up the package that's on offer, there is a long travel suspension, handlebar risers and a flat rally-inspired seat. While the model that was showcased came with an Akrapovic exhaust, the kit does not include the same. Mechanically, the Xpulse 200 remains the same, powered by a 199.6cc engine that outputs 18.1 bhp and 17.1 Nm of torque. So to sum it up, while Hero could have settled with just upgrading the engine to BS6 emission norms, it decided a good overhaul for the Passion and the Glamour. And needless to say, these changes have considerably improved the overall appeal of the motorcycles. And speaking of the brand's foray into the 160cc segment, the Xtreme 160R is a rather impressive motorcycle that positively points at Hero's attempt at sporty iterations. While we spent very less time on all four motorcycles, we are now waiting to get our hands on them for a road test review to tell you more.